What is up, guys? How are you doing? How's everything? Listen here, I want to change this trim in my car. It's aluminium or brushed aluminium or whatever it is. It's metal, and I want to change it to gloss black. I'm gonna vinyl wrap it, just give it a shot, but I just want to show you guys how to remove this. It's fairly simple. You don't need a lot of tools. You just need a T20 Torx and a pry tool. I don't have a pry tool, so a plastic butter knife. You know, I like my butter knives. And let's try it out. Let's see how it works. Okay, first you wanna get off this black piece, this black trim around the wheel. Okay, you can see that in the side here, in this little, once you flip it open, there's a little screw right in there. There's a screw. You want to get that screw. Screw open. I didn't make it in the other side. You don't use the screws. Want to open the drawer a little bit and just give it a nice pull. Once you pull it up, it'll come out. You won't break it. It's German plastic, so it lasts quite long. And you want to go. What I do is I put the screw back. You know what? You don't lose it. Then what you want to do is remove this gear lever. It's actually very easy. You just have to pull it up and just get something in there, and there we go. The first clip is out. Once the first clip is out, you actually just pull the whole leather. That will actually take that all off. Now what a lot of guys do is remove the gear knob. No need. Now that you have the leather gone or out the way, you want to put your hand in here, in like that, pull up. Once you pulled up, it's out. You want to remove this plug. You can only imagine how much it needs to replace, so let's remove that and just tuck it away and put this aside. Leave the leather. Now you're going to want to remove this piece here. You got to be gentle. With that. That is also just two clips, one over there, one over here, and then it's two little latches that goes underneath here. So what you want to do is also just put your hands in here, hold on to the side, and just, there we go, that's up. There we go. That's out. That is out. And then here's a little yellow lever here. See that yellow lever? In case your car is stuck in park or whatever, you want to pull down on that lever. The car will come out of park. Let's put it into neutral. Let's shut the car off. And now, okay, there's two ways here. You want to get the ashtray out, or you could just literally pull down on that trim. So you want to take your hand, press down on it, and pull it forward. Do that with both hands. It's a bit easier. Okay. Want to press down on it. And pull it. Once you pull it forward, it'll be out of its grooves. So lift it up. See these little 4 tabs? See that 4 tabs there? That goes into this little groove. So you can see it's not really that tight, and it's actually just pushed in there. To put it back, obviously it's the reverse of the. I want to remove the ashtray too, because I don't think my cigarette lighter is working. But then I smoke. But you want to remove that 2 screws. There's 2 screws there. I take that screw, set it aside. Now you're going to see why I said take out park, because now you literally just have to pull it forward, and there it goes. There's a wire underneath. Oh, there's money. There's some free money under there. There's not my money. There's not my money. Okay, the whole ashtray assembly is now out. It's out. Look at it, it's out. Put that aside, and look, there's money. Wow. So I actually bought the car for 2 rand, 3 rand less. All that's a score. Oh, 3 rand 20 cents. It's probably more in there. Yeah, that's a win. And I don't know. Ooh, but there's one more trim. There's one more trim here. This trim is going to be my every end, I tell you. Okay, so this trim over here, it's the other way around. You need to pull this forward. Oh, that's it. Okay, so it's 2 clips underneath, and these to come out. You're gonna wanna. Ooh, I really hope I didn't break it. Ooh. Oh, that's not very loose now. That's why it sounds so bad. Okay. Well, that's up. You see, there's just 2 clips on top. And this one's at the bottom. The ones at the bottom come out easy. Ones at the bottom come out fairly easy. But there's 2 here. You're gonna need a pry tool. This did not work. But the knife failed. That's out now. So now it's gonna be way easier to do the covering of the glossiness. Let's put it back in pocket and take the key out. Let's take all the trim inside and give it a nice cover. And there you go. Gloss black vinyl. Not a perfect job, it's my first try. But let's install it and see how it looks. And there you go. Installation is reverse of removal, and whoop, makes a difference. Now you can just as well put on whatever color you would like, carbon fiber or whatever. I think I'm gonna go for the carbon fiber next, but I wanted the gloss black and it looks good. Well, okay guys, there you go. Hope you like it, and it's very easy. Looks really good. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope you like it. Oh, I'm gonna give myself a wash. Oh, bloody bastard heat. That's what happened if you sit in the car and hot boxes. Cheers.